Hello guys and welcome to this new site. First, as always, let's sign up. We click on chat now. We click I confirm that I'm above 18. Continue. Here you can choose either your mail or you can sign up with Google. It accepts the temporary emails. Okay, as we can see, account created successfully. So this site is about chatting with AI, it's about coding and image generation. So let's check first the image generation. We have all those models. Some of them might take credits and some of them offering free generation. So you can categorize them with the top rated. You can choose Nano Banana and here you can write your prompt. Let me put it. We send it. And now we wait. As we can see, the image was generated. Here you can choose any ratio you want and you keep on generating. Let's try the seed dream. We click on generate. As we can see here, the image was generated and you can keep on generating. There's no limit for that. And when it's finished, you go again and create a new account. Okay, so let's try other things, which is coding. I chose Gemini Uncensored Free. Here, as you can see, I'm out of free messages. So what I can do is log out, create a new account, go back here, got a new mail, copy it, paste it here, type the password, agree, create, verify, copy the code, paste it, continue. We send this and now we wait. Here, as you can see, I have the full code and I can choose any model from here and start rebuilding again, or I can copy the code, paste it here and make the edits. So this was the site, and as always, if you felt that I helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more free AI content and useful videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See ya.